blackboard.
Naka ano ba? Nakasindi.
Black.
Baby! Hidi! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, blow na baby.
Mas malaki.
Wish, make a wish.
I'm 7 years old na. Huh? Oh, where are we now? We are at the beach. Oh, let's go. Be careful. Hindi cockroach yun. Those are small crabs siguro. Yan. Let's go.
I want to take off my slippers.
Later.
I never.
It's your birthday today. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Why is it like? Why is it like?
Somebody
like
left her panty there. Oh.
There. There.
So this is Carancho Beef Resort. There you go. Low tide pa anak eh. Mamaya mga by 8 o'clock pa raw. Akit ang tubig.
I want to go.
Oh, let's see if we can find some starfish.
Somebody left the sundae. Wow.
Oh. Ha? Ah, sige. Sige.
Wow.
We're gonna ride the boat later.
Yay. How much fun.
Oh, be careful. Mga houses yata ng crabs to. Oh.
Yeah.
Ano, may mga holes oh.
So?
Oh. Mga tiny holes na yan. Houses yan. Ng mga crabs, little
I
crabs.
think that's a snail.
Where?
There.
Oh yeah, pick it up. Oh,
You pick it up.
oh shell lang.
What happened to the snail?
It's gone.
Maybe
It went out swimming.
get that one.
Why don't you get it? Come on.
I don't want.
Ayun na.
I want to collect shells. There's something here.
What is it?
Come on. There's something moving. It's a rockfish.
Where? Where?
Inside that hole.
Oh, sige nga, you touch it.
No, I'm scared. I saw it was moving. It was moving.
Wala naman eh.
I found another shell. Crab, dead crab. A dead crab.
Let's go to the water. Slowly slowly. Careful, slowly. Wow, the water is fine. It's not cold, no? No? You want to take a dip?
Yeah.
Be careful, it's... Oh, there's a fish.
Yes, there's fishes.
Oh,
I hope there's not a shark.
no, there's no shark there.
Huh?
There are fishes there.
I'm scared, Daddy baby. Maybe there's a shark.
No, I don't think so.
There's a shark.
I don't think there's a shark here.
Don't follow us.
Oh, there are fishes, no? Oh, here. Can you see it?
Yes. You are scared of us? Why?
I don't know.
Crabs. I think crabs.
We're just scared, maybe because they're thinking that we're gonna eat them.
Daddy. I'm scared now. I'm scared. Maybe there's crabs. Scared, Dad. I'm scared.
Wala na yan.
I'm scared. And maybe there's crabs.
Ayun, si Mommy, oh, there, oh. Mommy's there, oh. Say
Where?
hi. There.
Where?
Let's go back. Come here.
Oh, my Daddy.
Are you gonna eat breakfast first? I haven't taken your breakfast yet.
Kailan madaming fishes? What time is maraming fishes?
Later, pag ano, nag-high tide na.
What's high tide?
When the water rises up. See? Oh. Yung water kasi hanggang dyan, no? Up to here. Oh.
Up to what?
Here.
Why here?
Hanggang dito yung water dapat eh.
Why?
Kasi nga, ganyan yung pag high tide. Look at our footprints.
Daddy, can I play in the sand first?
Sure, after you've taken your breakfast.
But I'm not yet hungry.
You have to eat. We're back.
That?
Excited ang little girl, ang birthday girl.
Video ba yan?
Oh. Welcome to Cebu.
Aga-aga.
Beach? Swimming?
Ito.
Pull it out. You hold it and pull it out.
Ito.
Ganun, like that too.
I cannot. Ito
It's not gonna bite. It's a starfish.
You.
No, you do it.
I'm
You wanna see
scared.
it? No, come on. You hold it like ano, ganun, no. Then you pull it out. Oh. Oh, wala. Oh, ganun lang. Oh.
Shy, what is he doing like that?
Kaya nga eh. Sige na. Go.
You, Daddy.
Ay, ikaw
Please,
gusto makita
Daddy.
ng
Please.
starfish eh.
Please. Please. Please, Daddy. Please, Daddy. Just hold it again.
Sige na, ikaw na.
Come.
Ay, then take it out. Sige, fast. Ganun. Sige. Parang may makwento ko sa classmates mo. You pulled out a starfish. Oh.
I'm so very...
Oh, you know, look. Oh, there. Oh. Oh.
Why is it like that?
It's a starfish.
Why is it like that?
Oh, diba star? Oh. Sige, can you hold it? Like that, oh. Sige na. Ganun, sa palm mo. Parang octopus nga. Oh. Ganun sa palm mo. Oh. Bilis, I can take a picture of that. Oh. Wow.
It's moving, it's moving.
Yes. Oh, diba?
You...
Oh. Oh, then hold it again, bilis. Yeah, ganyan lang. Oh, see? Oh, then put it on your hand.
I cannot. I'm
Mm.
scared.
See, that's a live one. Oh.
alive?
Oh, see, it's moving. Oh. Ay, wants to get back to the water kasi.
Why?
Of course.
Why?
That's where the starfish lives.
Starfish! Go back inside. Look at it.
Oh, diba? Your first starfish. Oh.
It's so slimy when you touch on the middle. Why is it so slimy?
I don't know. Oh, you get it, please. You can take a picture. I'm filming it, though. Oh, we're on video. Oh. Wow. What is that?
Starfish!
Oh, put it on your hand. On your hand.
Why?
Ayan, oh. Then you look at me, oh. Then,
Go back
oh.
to the sea. The sliding.
Hawakan ko. Oh, put it on your hand.
Starfish!
Sa ganito mo. Oh, di ba? Wow. No, babe, oh. Oh.
Darn!
Oh, starfish na.
Gumagalaw pa, anak, ano?
Oh, di ba?
Madaming starfish eh, oh.
Oo nga eh.
Ayan pa, oh.
Tago nga eh.
Ayan pa, oh. Oh,
See?
starfish pa yan.
Oh. Hawakan.
Nakabaliktad, anak eh.
Hindi, tama.
Hindi, nakabaliktad yan. Yung paa niya yung... Oh.
Ayun yung ano niya sa ilalim.
Ano sa ilalim ba?
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Baby, what are we doing?
Boating.
Nako, baka sagyot.
I'm helping up. Para mababaw kasi.
Oo nga.
Bakit?
Baby, ano ginagawa mo kanina? Gan- Oh, linaw ng water, no?
Dave. Daw. Ayan,
Ayun! Patong mo dyan, kuya, oh.
Buhay ba yan? Oo.
What is that?
Starfish.
Magalaw kayo.
Tigas.
No. Yes, matigas.
Si Maki, takot.
Pwede na?
Sure na talaga, kuya. Di na tayo kakayas, ha? Ayun! Eh, nakasakay na siya, eh. Kaya nga kumayas, eh. Umupo siya, eh.
Ayun, okay na.
Ayun. Gil.
Gil. Gil.
Ano yan, baby? You're not
Starfish.
scared?
No.
You like it?
Yes.
Ayan naman.
Look at here. Look at here. Si Daddy takot.
Ayun. Kulay brown.
Ito din, brown din, eh.
Hindi isa blue eh.
Oo, yung kanina, di ba?
So want to touch it?
It's okay.
Parang snake. Parang may snake. There's a snake here.
Huwag kang mahuhulog.
Ano yan, baby?
Starfish.
Dami, ah.
Hindi gumagalaw kanina, nakunan ko siya.
Dami, no? Collection mo yan, baby?
Yes, I want to get this home.
You want to bring that home?
Yes.
Are we allowed?
I'm not sure.
I don't think so.
We're supposed to give it back to nature. It's still alive, baby. Maybe a dead one you can bring.
But I just saw a starfish that is dead and Daddy doesn't want it to touch it.
You doesn't want to touch it.
Yes.
O, tingin ka dun. Baka may mga shells dun, oh.
Okay.
Of course. Ang dami mo ng starfish, ah. Asan na yung sea urchin? Ayun. Ang daming starfish, oh.
Daddy, ito black starfish.
Ayan. Sea urchin.
Get it.
Si Maki andun, no? Ay, aray ko.
Ang dami.
Oh, be careful ah.
Baby, be careful. Baka may sea urchin na naman.
Kapag nadapatos, may dito.
Hindi na, malutaw na lang. Malalim sa Mandados?
Oh, malalim. Marunong lang eh.
Hindi masyado.
Wag ka na, Maki, ha? Kung di kaya, wag na. Wag ka magpilit.
Oh, ano, dito sa ilo, parang hindi masyado. Natural island ito, ma'am.
Natural island.
Natural, mabatong. Maraming pumunta dito, mga panis. Umakyat na.
Diyos ko, ang hirap naman akyatin yan.
Ano na picture?
Pero ko chinilas na mo.
Sino?
Oh, tama ano na dito, natural island.
Asan ba yung pink? Hindi ko abot.
Madilim, babe. Madilim.
Oh, iPad.
Mac, oh. Mac. Ay, nakabigil na yun.
Yung one.
pa tayo, classmate na tayo. Ha? Hindi na?
Thank you. Okay, can everybody stay there? So that we can take a picture and say happy birthday.
Punta ka doon, Katie. Stay doon dito, Katie. On the other side. Stay doon dito.
There you go. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, blow, baby. How are you now? There you go. Okay. Everybody can sit down. Bayan.
Let the teacher girls that know.
Kaya kung kailan pinatay ko na, doon siya namatay doon. There you go. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How are you now?
Wow.
There you go.
Very good. Thank you. Pwede si Kat.
Babe, picturean mo yung ano ni Babe.
Ano gagawin, babe? Mga classmate naman ako.
Picture, Sir Audrey. Dali, meron pa ano po.
Ito yung fork ko. Ito.
Juice, tagay sila. Mac. Mac. View ng Cebu. Sa harap ng Padjak.
Cafe. Ano yung street names, no?
Ang Divisoria ng Cebu.
Best Buy. Last day in Cebu. Ikot-ikot lang din pag may time. Ikot lang pag may time. Di ba, Mac? Ayan.
Saan? Doon nakasabi. Pwede na siguro natin lakarin mamaya.
What is this?
Hindi ko. Cathedral.
Ah, ito na yun. Yeah. Ayun oh, yung bell tower oh. Reconstruct. Oo. There oh. Madami siyang earthquake, no? So,
Yun.
nire-reconstruct
Under
siya.
construction dahil nasira nung entrance.
Dito na tayo. Yep. Yep. Tabi-tabi lang po. May time.
To my dear cousins, I would like to thank you for remembering me on my birthday. Thank you for congratulating me, and I also look forward to doing the same thing, so also do good in school. I miss you, and I'll be seeing you in December and summers and titas. Thank you as well, and I miss you too. To Lola Lita, I hope you get better soon. I always pray for you, Lola. Eat a lot so when I see you in December and summer, you will be better so we can go wherever you want to go, okay? I miss you so much, Lola. I love you again. Thank you, and I miss you all. Always be good, and I will see you soon. Mwah.
A shooting star. Make a wish with all your heart. The stars shine brightly for you, and may all your wishes come true. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world you shine, like a nightlight in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight.
To my dear cousins, I would like to thank you for remembering me in my birthday. Thank you for to my little cousins. I would like to thank you for remembering me on my birthday. Thank you for congratulating me. Find a again.
And,
Mommy, again.
and,
Find
and,
and I also look forward to doing the same thing. So also do good for
in school.
Mami, ulit.
Sige lang, sige, tuloy mo na si daddy na mag-ano ulit. O, sige, start. To my dear cousin. Sige na. Puputulin lang ni daddy yan.
Hoy, puputulin.